Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. To make falafel, I soak the chickpeas with cold water 1 day in advance. I added 3 cups of chickpeas and 700 grams in grams. First I washed the chickpeas, pinched them with my hands and drained the water completely. I added cold water and changed the water after about 8 hours and after waiting for 8 more hours. The chickpeas were soaked in water for a total of 16 hours. Eight small onions and garlic, 1 bunch of parsley. I used 4 eggs, flour, and carbonate, salt and spices, coriander, black pepper, chili flakes, cumin, mint, ginger. I added sesame and black cumin. Thinking it would suit, chickpeas waited for 16 hours, this way you can eat it like a sarek. I love it. I use a large mixer. I added chickpeas, onions and garlic. I added 20 grams of salt, chili pepper, coriander. I added some mint pepper. I would like to state that I did this as an experiment without following the original recipe. Some powdered ginger and baking soda. I would like to state that if you add too much carbonate, it spoils the taste. Eggs. Three cups wheat flour. Finely chop the parsley. I added the mixture to the pot and added the chopped parsley, sesame and black cumin. I added a little more cumin and mixed it. Transfer the mixture into a smaller container. I prepared the frying pan and add the frying oil. After waiting for the oil to heat up, I add the falafel patties. I practically added the meatballs to the frying oil using 2 spoons. Maybe the shape should be round in the original recipe. I don't know exactly, but I made it this way. I used wooden spoon to flip and stir while frying. That's how. I deep fried the falafel patties. I fried 60 falafel patties this way. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip, support me. In order for the falafel to be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, you need to fry it on a little high heat. I made 2 sauces for falafel. It's not delicious to eat these meatballs without sauces. You definitely need to make these sauces. I used tahini for my first sauce. Some solid yogurt. Normally, strained yogurt is used, but I don't think it should be a very solid sauce. Lemon juice. Salt. Falafels waiting to meet with sauce and go down. Now my other sauce is very simple and ready mix. I tried it and I like it, mayonnaise and ketchup mix. If you wish, you can add some bitter and pomegranate syrup in addition to this mixture. My sauces are like this, and now I made 2 different presentations. I don't want to show them and make the video too long. I added lettuce to a large plate. I added sauce plates. I added the falafels to the lettuce. In addition to this dish, you can make a salad with plenty of tomatoes, cucumbers and peppers, chopped into small pieces. Yes, it looks good. It swelled very well and was not too dry inside, did not get stuck in my throat. It is very enjoyable to eat with sauce. Aaron or fruit juice as a drink. Now I use a thin and soft bread for wrapping. Ketchup, mayonnaise in. Parsley. Meatballs. Falafel sauce. And lemon juice. It would be nice if it was a tomato. I think it was easy and fun to make. See you in a new uninteresting video. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.